Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to start with my Herbalife pralines and cream healthy formula 1. It's basically like a meal replacement. So I'm actually going to use 2 scoops of this. Alright, so next I'm going to use the protein mix, and this is in vanilla. So I'm going to use 2 scoops of this. This is basically just going to make it more thick, but, well, really not more thick, but make sure that I am fuller for longer, because if I just use the formula 1, probably like an hour or 2, I'm going to be hungry. But once I use the protein mix in there, it makes me not as hungry. So I probably can go maybe 4 to 5 hours after I eat my waffles. If I add the protein mix. Plus, I'm getting my protein in for the day. Next, I'm going to add 2 whole eggs. These are medium eggs, but you are more than welcome to use egg whites. Egg whites, of course, are lower in calories, but I didn't have any egg whites. But if I was to use egg whites, I would use 3 to 4 tablespoons of egg whites in my waffles if I was to use egg whites. So here I'm just using 2 medium eggs. Some people use 3, but I prefer 2. Now we're going to add the Quaker's oat. I use the quick 1-minute oats. I'm actually going to use 3/4 cups of oats. Now the oats is what's really going to thicken this waffle up, because believe me, if you don't add oats, your waffle maker is going to burn your waffles. Like, your waffle is basically going to disappear because of the consistency is not as thick. So please, please, please make sure you use oats. You can use 3/4 cups of oats like I did. Some people use 1 cup, but I prefer 3 cups. Next, I'm just going to use 1 cup of water. Here I'm just using bottled water because I don't have a purifier on my faucet. Alright, so here I'm just going to put the top on to my blender, and if just in case you're wondering, I'm just using the Ninja blender, and I'm just going to shake it up to get all that, so all my powder is not stuck at the bottom of the mixer. So I'm just going to put it on there, and I'm just going to let it blend and let the Ninja do what it does and blend everything up until it just stops, which sometimes is about a minute or 2. But if you're using a regular blender, you may want to blend it for like maybe a minute, or like I said, 2, just to make sure you get the consistency that you desire. And the consistency that you're looking for is more like a pancake batter, so not really thin, but you don't want it really thick, because if so, your waffles will be thick. Alright, so here's the consistency of my mix. As you can see, it is not really runny. It is kind of thick, but I'm able to move it around. So that's the consistency that I'm looking for. My waffle maker is hot because it has the green light that says ready. I'm just using the extra virgin olive oil. I don't know why I couldn't get that out. Made by Great Value, to just spray my waffle maker so my waffle does not stick. I'm just going to pour my waffle mix onto my waffle maker. Just pour it all around. I'm just trying to make sure that I fill in all the little crevices, because if you don't have any batter there, when your waffle is finished, it's going to be empty in that spot. So here you're going to see me kind of just move some of the waffle mix all the way to the edge to make sure that I kind of want my waffles to be like a whole waffle, because if you don't, once again, it's going to like cut it off. So now that I have all my batter, I'm just going to close my waffle maker, going to lock that baby, and then I'm going to flip her on over, and then I'm just going to let it cook until my waffle maker says that it is ready. Alright, so my waffle maker is done. I'm just going to flip it back over, open it up, and bam, there's my protein waffle. I'm really excited about this, guys. I finally get to have a protein waffle. It took me forever to start making these. So I'm just going to grab my plastic spatula. You can use a wooden one, which probably would be better, and just plate it, girl. Okay, to top it, I have this sugar-free maple syrup here. Now this maple syrup, for 2 tablespoons, it's only 5 calories. Yes, 5 calories. So I like to use something that has less calories for my waffles in the morning, because of course we're trying to watch our calories. Now this also compares to like this Country Kitchen butter flavored syrup. Now this one is 2 tablespoons for 110 calories. Yes, crazy. Like, all our calories we really be coming from the condiments that we add on our food. So once again, I'm trying to watch calories. And then I have this other one, which I don't know if we canceled this one or not, but this one has 2 tablespoons and it's 100 calories. So out of all of them, the sugar-free calorie one, the sugar-free is definitely one with less calories. Sometimes I do use the sugar-free caramel syrup, and this one is 2 tablespoons with 90 calories. Now I use this one more if I'm going to work out, but today I didn't work out this morning, so I'm just going to use the sugar-free one because I'm trying to watch my calories and because I didn't work out this morning. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comment section if you decide to try this with a different type of protein mix, and let me know how it goes for you. So until next time, be blessed.